She's mad because it's not going.
Hi!
Hold on, Kenzie. Hold on.
You have to hold on.
Hold on to the handles. There we go. You got it? You got it?
You're asking Mommy to walk backwards. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea for you.
Just checking. Hey, hands. Kenzie, gotta have her hands up here. Okay, both hands. And? No? We're done with the hands, are we?
Here, wave to Mommy, Kenzie. Hi, Kenzie. Hi. You wave with both hands?
There we
go.
There they go. Good. That makes Daddy feel better. You're a big old biker girl, huh? Out on the open road.
Hi, Kenzie. Hi, Kenzie. Say hi. Hold on. Kenzie, say hi.
That sounded like bye.
Kens. You have to hold on.
What are our rules? That's right, hands on the handlebars. Good job.
Hang on, let me get ahead of her.
Well, those are the wheels, huh? Yeah, our hands go up there.
Okay, bye. Say bye-bye, Kenzie. Say bye-bye.